Hello everyone. Welcome to NoticeMark. Today, I will show you how to replace the nib of the TWSBI Precision Gun Metal. The TWSBI Precision Gun Metal is a stylish and strong fountain pen. Unlike other TWSBI series, there is no replaceable nib for this pen. It comes with a JOWO No. 5 nib. You can choose nib options like extra fine, fine, medium, broad, and stub 1.1. Now, I am writing with medium nib. TWSBI Precision uses the same nib as TWSBI Diamond 580. This means we can replace its nib with one from the TWSBI Diamond 580. This is replaceable stub nib 1.5 for TWSBI Diamond 580. I will use this nib replacing medium nib to make my precision more fantastic. It's important to note that the grip section of the TWSBI Precision cannot be screwed off. Instead, we need to pull the nib out carefully to avoid damaging the feed. Taking the stub nib 1.5 off its feed. Once the nib is removed, I will place the stub nib 1.5 onto the original feed. Make sure it fits tightly. Insert feed and nib back to the grip section, ensuring everything is properly aligned and secure. Now, let's test the writing. The stub nib 1.5 creates a broad and beautiful line, perfect for unique writing styles. If this video is useful, please like, comment, and subscribe to NoticeMark. See you next time.